Have you ever wondered how Apple Maps can suggest all those different navigation apps when you're looking for directions? It's pretty impressive, right? Today, we're diving into how Apple Maps detects installed navigation applications and how you can implement a similar feature in your own app. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you want to use a specific app for navigation, but you have to sift through options. You're not alone in this. Many developers face the same challenge when trying to enhance user experience. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "How does Apple Maps automatically detect all the navigation apps installed on my device?" They want to know if there's a way to implement this feature in their own application. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So how does Apple Maps do this? Essentially, it checks for installed apps that support specific URL schemes. However, this method isn't foolproof as URL schemes can change, and not all navigation apps support them. We'll break down the steps to help you understand how to approach this. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can save you time and effort when implementing this feature in your app. To implement a feature similar to Apple Maps, the user should start by gathering a list of popular navigation applications. This list will help identify which apps to check for installation. Next, the user needs to verify that these applications support URL schemes. This is crucial because it allows the app to open the navigation apps directly from their own application. After confirming URL scheme support, the user can check if these applications are installed on the device. This can be done using the method that checks if the app can be opened with a specific URL. It's important to note that relying solely on URL schemes can be unreliable. The user should consider implementing a fallback mechanism in case an app does not support the expected URL scheme. Finally, the user should test the implementation thoroughly. This ensures that the navigation options appear correctly and that the user experience is seamless. Fun fact, did you know that the first GPS systems were so bulky they could barely fit in a car? Now we have all these amazing apps right at our fingertips. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by a user explains how Apple Maps detects installed navigation apps. They mention that iOS apps capable of showing directions can register as routing apps, making their services available to Maps and other applications. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your app updated with the latest URL schemes from navigation apps. This will ensure that your app remains compatible and provides a seamless experience for users. And there you have it. Now you know how to detect installed navigation apps like Apple Maps. Remember, keeping your app updated is key to providing a great user experience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.